In today's video, we're just going to talk about the 513 EMA that I use on the daily chart, along with the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages. Okay, that's how I find my royal setups when all the averages are on the right side. But today we're just going to talk about the 513 because it's not 100%, but trading on the side of the 513 can be extremely helpful. For example, when we finally shifted over here, we saw a beautiful rally until when? Looks like this was Monday. Okay, on Monday you had the 513 cross to the downside. That was your warning that it might be time to stop buying the dips and instead waiting for a little bit of a bounce to sell, which is just what we ended up seeing. Now, with that in mind, let's actually look at, once I get rid of these lines, some of my other charts at this point. Well, you know what? In Apple, I do have support, but guess what? This is not going to be one of the highest probability setups because the 513 is in a sell mode, which means we are still vulnerable to the downside. Okay. Also, the same thing is happening in Amazon. Now, I do have some time and price support in Amazon. I've got this 233.73 to 237.28 area as far as support, and I also ran the timing histogram we have for a potential low between the 12th through the 14th, but I'm still going to say, since the 513 is in a sell mode, we're also below the 50, that this is definitely not going to be as high a probability setup as when we had all the averages on the right side. So that's something to know about the current markets. If you want to play it really, really safe, then don't get involved until on the daily chart the 513 is on your side. I mean, obviously the 513 would be bullish with the 5 above the 13 for the buy side, or bearish with the 5 below the 13 for the sell side. It's just a warning that the market's giving us. Doesn't mean that some of these setups won't play out, but again, it's worth watching. And also, it's worth waiting for signals because there are so many zones that the market will just blow through otherwise. That's it. I hope that helps. Take a look at the 513 EMA on your current daily charts. On some of them, it works really well, and you should use those on those charts. But on others, it might not. Might be a little choppy, and in that case, then I would not use that as an indicator. But I've seen it work plenty in all the years that I've been in these markets.